It was January when I gave the last update on the old gin mill in Prattville. This is May the 8th, 2023, springtime. Everything is turning green. Everything looks really good in downtown Prattville. So there is the mill, the front of the mill. Live here today is what the sign says. Those are luxury loft apartments. It's been remodeled from an old gin factory back in the day when Daniel Pratt founded that. What a beautiful location. They've done a lot of work on it, and I think there are about 150 apartments in the complex. This view just never gets old. Look at that. So, coming around from the other side, looking toward the east, you have a full view from the side of the project. And the beautiful aesthetic surroundings. The waterfalls, the clear water. Fountain there at the waterfall, and the white building there in the foreground is going to be remodeled, I understand. But there it is, the mill as it's called now. Anyway, if you like this video, hit the like button. Also, hit the subscribe button too. It really helps out the channel. Thank you so much for watching.